I'm sure it's happened to you that all of a sudden you need an item and you realize, you remember you have something similar somewhere around the house, but when you get to it, when you find it, it's not either in the best condition or it's even missing something. And that happened to us with this gym bag. We need it for activities with our son and it's missing the strap and the hooks were right here and broken, so I don't know where the strap went. So let's make one. Today is the day. So this gym bag is like 1,000,000 years old, but it's still intact in the meaning of, I mean, you can see it's all, but it's a good quality bag and the corners are all fine and the zippers open and close perfectly fine. It's a good canvas and it's in perfect condition. It's right the size we want it for, so you have to make the most out of everything you have. It's a pity to have it there and not use it. Well, maybe you don't need it at one point, but when you need it, you're not going to be making one, are you? I have all my materials, everything I need. I have the loops, I have the hooks, although I'm going to leave these ones the bag brought. They are not in bad condition, so I'm going to use these. They are much bigger than the ones I got. And one thing I really want to learn to do is to sew properly and learn to do these adjustable buckles, because I don't. I've never done it properly and I really want to. I think it's something useful and today's the day. Of course, I could just go and get some nice bright fabric in a lovely pattern for my son to have for his activities, but having this at home, we all have gym bags we don't use currently, I'm sure, and it's a pity to have it and not use it, and now that we have the chance to use it, I'm going to do it. So it's much cheaper to get the stuff for the strap than to get the whole thing, and that way we use everything we have. I love making the most out of everything I have at home, and I love mending and reusing stuff. So if you like this kind of projects, consider subscribing, because I upload twice a week and that way you don't miss anything. And I leave you here as well my Instagram account in case you want to have a chat or even send pictures of some projects or doubts. So today's video is going to be a bit shorter, but I think it's going to be interesting to see me struggle with these things. And I was quite happy when a subscriber told me how short the last video was, the one with the neck warmer. And I really appreciate it, because that's a way of showing that she likes the videos. And I was thinking, because I always like to do things I have around the house that I need, and you come with me in this journey, and I have a few I have to do, but I'm thinking as well of making something a bit more spectacular, like something more out of the everyday stuff. So I think those are going to be nice as well, just for the sake of it. We like making the most out of stuff, but we also like to have fun, don't we? So at the shop, they gave it to me already like this. I remember that, but they didn't say much. So I know this goes, the hook goes here to the side, of course, but we don't need to work with the bag. So let's put this in here. Okay, like if it were the bag, and then the other one on the other side. But on which side? On which end? Does it matter? I don't know. So I'm going to try, this is trial and error. I'm going to put pins to see how I do. The problem is this part, because I don't think, I can't see how this other one fits in here to make it adjustable, but it has to go in here, because if not, it doesn't make any sense. So maybe I needed to do it on the other side. No, but this is like having two loops. I don't know if it happens to you, but it's easy, like you are watching me, it's easy to go and watch someone easy in some way, because you can just copy what they're doing. But I find that if I do that, like I will have to do it like many times for it to stick in my head. But if I try to squish my head and do it by myself, even though it takes longer, it sort of sticks quicker if I figure it out. I don't know if that happens to you, if you find that weird. It's not that I don't know, it's just, well, it has to go in here somehow. Does that happen to you? Do you do that? But if it has to go this way, down here, how does it fit? It doesn't fit, does it? Maybe I had to get a bigger one. I'm really thinking I should have got a bigger one for it to fit. Is it a matter of size? Oh, there's a gap there. Wait. All right, this side. Oh, there's a gap here. Can I go through there? Which way? Does it matter? So I'm sure there must be an easier way. Oh no, that was quite easy. Ah, okay. Is this adjusting? All right, let's. Oh yes, it is. That's good. But this can go. This. I will need to sew it there. So these little loops I'm not going to use because the ones from the bag are in good condition. I mean, they're a bit rusty, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to start by placing the two ends, which are the loops. That's easy to spot. And then put the strap inside one and pin it, so I don't get it wrong. And the other one, I don't pin it because it's the one that has to go in the middle. You see, that's why we have to repeat things, so we learn them. So I have my two hooks on each end. I have this one pinned, and then I have my adjustable buckle right in the middle. The thing is that the strap is loose, it's not tight, so I can put the other one in the same way. The good thing about doing this, doing it a few times, is that you learn. And instead of doing it like I was, I'm going to turn it the other way around. So instead of pulling in towards the other end, I'm going to drive it back in, so the seam stays in and it looks nice. I think it's much better. So it's going to be a double hem, and any thread you have, any cotton you have, and let's see if the machine can, because it's 3 layers here. So I know this is quite an easy project, but it's really rewarding because it's something I don't usually do. I can say I sew a lot since I have the YouTube channel, but I don't make adjustable straps all the time. I've only made two of them, I think. Yes, my sister-in-law's sling bag. which I have to ask her back for because I think I did something wrong. I think I'm missing this stitch, so Alex, bring it back because we have to fix it. But this is quite good because this way it's all short and then this way is longer. So that's good for my husband, for me, and the thing that you can take it off as well if you don't want it. But I'm quite pleased with it. It's fantastic. Perfect. I know this is quite an easy project, but it's really rewarding to finish something like this. Let me know if you've done something like this, if it took you some time to figure out. It's not difficult, it's just getting the hang of it, of moving it around loops and sewing it to the right place. The only thing I regret is that the shop didn't have the strap in this color, in this burgundy, or wine, but well, it will fade, I'm sure. It's not even the same blue, but anyways, it's useful now and we needed it, so that's fantastic to make the most out of what you have. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing because I upload twice a week, I think I said that, and I leave you a link to all the mending projects I've done so you can have a look. There are some pretty good ideas there. Bye!